Hello friends. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Kiran Kolte Biology Academy. Today is your first video on this channel. So first of all, in first video, we'll discuss about the MHT CET exam paper pattern. So in MHCET exam, so total 3 papers are there: paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Paper 1 is of maths. Paper 2 consists two subjects, physics and chemistry, and third paper biology. It consists two subjects, botany and zoology. So all over in this video we are going to discuss about the weightage and mark distribution for each and every paper. So first of all, the paper 1 maths. So total questions are 50. Each question carry 2 marks. So total marks come 100. And you will get a near about 1.5 hours to solve this first paper, which is of 100 marks. Second paper is which consists physics and chemistry. It also consists of total 100 questions. Physics 10 questions are from 11th syllabus and 40 questions are from 12th syllabus. Same for chemistry, 10 questions are coming from 11th syllabus and 40 questions are going to come from 12th syllabus. So total physics carry 50 questions and chemistry also carry 50 questions. Here each question carry 1 mark. So therefore 50 plus 50, so total comes 100. For physics and chemistry, which is in paper second, for that also you will get a 90 minutes time. For third paper, which consists again two sub-subjects, botany and zoology. Botany same like physics and chemistry, 10 questions from 11th syllabus and 40 questions from 12th syllabus. Same for zoology, 10 questions from 11th syllabus and 40 questions are from 12th syllabus. So total comes 100. Each question carry 1 mark. So total comes 100. And for this 100 MCQ again you get a 90 minute time. So basically it is based on your two groups. Either you are having a PCM, physics, chemistry, maths, or PCB, physics, chemistry and biology. So if you want to take an admission for BTech as well as for engineering other than medical courses, you have to keep PCM group. For pharmacy and agriculture science, you have to take a PCB group. So important. In our channel, we are going to deliver lectures on CET syllabus as well as board syllabus of CBSE as well as state board. In upcoming videos, you can see number of lectures which is going to cover our entire syllabus of CBSE as well as state board along with CET as well as NEET. So in first video, today's important books for biology for your CET exam. So here 3 books. 3 book यहाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ. So first book is Objective Biology. So Objective Biology of MTG publication. This is the one good book that you have to use to score good marks in CET exam. Second book is of Arihant publication. It is also good. And third one Marvel publication. तीनों में से कोई तो भी दो, नहीं तो कम से कम एक. The one important book to score good marks in MHT CET exam. More than 170 or 180. If you want to score more than 170 or 180 marks, then you have to refer a MTG publication along with your 11th standard and 12th standard state board textbook. State board textbook is important. MCQ means what? To clear or to solve the MCQ, you want to clear your concepts. So to understand concept properly, you have to go thorough reading. Reading is important to score good marks in CET or in any competitive exam. So in last, finally, I'll tell you some details about this exam. The MSCET exam, this mode of examination is online. You can give this exam in any the 3 mediums are available. Either you can give in English or in Marathi or in Urdu. Number of papers are 3. Paper type MCQ. All questions are MCQ based. Where you will get a 4 option. You have to select one correct. There is no any negative marking system. for MST CET exam like NEET and JEE. In NEET exam there is a negative marking system, in JEE also there is a negative marking system. So if you are having any doubts or difficulty regarding CET exam, already due to COVID pandemic government gave the relaxation for new registration. Those students failed to submit or those students failed to register for CET exam, they got a new date. Tomorrow 1st of June you can do your registration, and the exams are conducted from the first week of July up to the first week of August. Best of luck for upcoming videos. अगर आप CET के बारे में, बोर्ड के बारे में या CBSE के बारे में regarding biology, regarding the syllabus of biology, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.